Did you know that local rap group Zambo Top Dogs started as separate groups in Zamboanga City? They later joined forces around January 2008, forming a supergroup inspired by Ghetto Dogs, D12, and Wu-Tang Clan. They pioneered Chavacano rap as they took the torch passed on to them from their predecessors, Rap Asia, DJ Med Messiah, and Ghost 13, from the early 90s era of Filipino hip-hop. Their previous groups were Scully Clan, ZC Flips, Versiculo Dos, 14K, and Ciento 11, who used to beef with each other and often broke fights in events and clubs. As time passed, the rap groups were beginning to lay low and slowly breaking up due to the conditions of the local music scene and zero support from the Zamboangueño listeners. But then, one individual took the initiative of rallying the troops and quashing their differences until they decided to take a shot by forming a supergroup that will represent the entire Chavacano MCs. Those were El Pinador, Raw Skull, Don Ramon, Lance Hidden, and Ramji, which later on joined by Joe Mike, G4, Castigo, Slim Dog Tony, K-Triba, Amenazo del Diablo, and El Perro, hence the name Top Dogs, which derives from the Mario Puzo novel, meaning gathering of the heads. Despite the volume of haters and naysayers, the group kept making songs and displaying their passion in their works and their love for the city of Zamboanga